Ito po hindi naman ito madalas na pag-uusapan, ano. Pero minsan po kasi nagiging problema talaga yung parang sex life.
Oo.
Diba? Like me.
Ikaw lagi mo yung problema. Mini-message mo pa kami. Sa GC, nakakalimutan niya. Na nandun ang nanay niya.
Lalo na talaga problema ang sex life, lalo kapag matagal na yung relasyon. So, paano po ba yun na-handle for 21 years?
Ako, sasabihin ko, yun nga, talagang ngayon, syempre, 21 years. Hindi na katulad before na lagi-lagi. Ngayon, more on the quality ka na and than quantity, diba?
Ano ba yung quality?
Yeah. Kailangan inaayos mo at preparation.
Oo, dapat. Sabi nga ni Troy, dapat you have to be presentable, take care of yourself.
Hindi ko to before, sugod ka lang ng sugod, diba?
Kahit saan. Although exciting din yan siya. Dapat kay Girl Scout kasi tayo, Mars, always ready.
May mga moments naman na gano'n.
Yes.
Like nung isang araw.
Kwento. Order! Ako naman nagsimula.
Pasimuno ka, Madam Chair.
Sorry. Order to myself! Order! Charas. Okay.
Diba ikaw naman?
Ayan, sige po, go, Sir Troy.
I don't know where to start.
I do handle it.
You can start from the finish line.
Well, for me, since we've been together mga 21 years, syempre, I think as we get older together, syempre, things change. No? Tastes change. We get to know each other better, of course. And I think even our sexual appetite also changes for each other.
Ano yung appetite na yun?
Wow.
Ano yung appetite na changes, ha?
Hindi siya na-inform, Troy.
Like what you said. Well, like what you said. Parang before na...
You just fight and fight. Ganun.
Quantity. Now it's quality.
Totoo.
Before, it's buffet. Now it's like filet mignon.
Wow!
So, a la carte na kami.
A la carte na, hindi na nagbo-buffet. Ang ganda nung yung correlation ng pagkain at ng sex life. Kasi may mga kainan din na nagaganap sa...
Madam Chair, gutom na gutom.
Sorry. Off topic. Okay, sige, next na tayo. Mr. Vice Chair, go ahead. No?
Paano kung ayaw nung isa? Kunwari, nasa mataas po yung, sorry for my word, libido nung isa. Paano kumukuwit ka po ba, Sir Troy?
Kumukuwit? Kama.
Ako, for me, you just have to be, parang ready for the call.
Oh.
Kasi,
Ghostbusters.
Who you gonna call yun? Ano ka ba?
Ready na ready. Kasi, my experience is, usually mga guys, diba? Mga guys are always on. Always ready, diba? Parang if ever na, let's go. It's usually yung babae or your partner is like, wag na, later, I'm tired, blah, 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 blah. But if ever she's the one na, ganun, you gotta go. You have to answer the call.
Pero may times din, Sir Troy, na medyo wala ka rin sa mood. Paano yun?
Yeah, meron. Pagka medyo
Paano
sumobra
mo
na.
ma-handle yun, Sir?
Parang may rain check. Diba? Parang tomorrow na lang. Or, diba? Parang later lang. Diba?
Pero we're honest naman. Pagka
honest,
sasabihin ko sana, later. Diba na? Ganun lang. Sabihin na, tomorrow na lang. Honest kami. Hindi na kami yung nahihiya na parang pinilit lang. Ayaw namin ng gano'n. Pinilit lang. Hindi na namin.
Pumayag. Ano to? Pumayag na lang. Alam mo, isa pang batas yan.
May
Pwede
ganun
pag-usapan.
Pumapayag
Consent
na lang.
sa loob ng relasyon. May topic na tayo. Paki-note. Charas?
Yes, Madam
Okay,
Chair.
speaking of hiya, kasi pinag-uusapan na rin naman natin, Mr. Vice Chair, itong dalawang ito ay kilala bilang hindi po sila na nahihiya talaga. And in a good way. I think it's good because a lot of people shy away from this. And since you're in a committed relationship, sobrang ganda niya tignan. It's beautiful to see. Bakit ang hilig yung maghubad sa madaling salita?
Why not?
If you've got it.
Well, doon naman, yun lang. Ginawa namin sa private place, pero yun lang, pinopost namin, which is hindi na rin private. Pero, parang for me, in my age, parang okay na ako. I'm happy. I'm okay. As long as na hindi naman. But for me, I know my angle. And I know my angle. Arte. I know my angle. No, pero parang for me talaga, ito yung pinaghirapan ko. Parang sabi ko, gusto ko lang, gano'n. Parang I always work out. Ganun.
Yes.
Inspire the mommies out there who has 3-4 kids. Mga gano'n.
Tsaka healthy din. Healthy din yung parang pag nakahubad ka, tulog kayo nakahubad. Yung generate ng mga blood vessels natin, maganda.
Wow!
Wow! Iba to
Based on my research. Based on my research.
Medical background O sige, Troy.
Actually, yung time na sa posting yung yung hubad. Actually, that was kasi normally when we're together sa whatever location, tapos walang kid, syempre, yun lang, that's how we are na talaga.
Ganun kami.
We're
Underwear or wala?
Nakahubad kayo sa house?
We're one with the nature. So,
Hindi ma-house, sa mga vacation places.
yun.
Ganun.
Taray.
And then yung time na I was laying out, tapos she was sitting, and then I said, wow, nice your angle. So I took a photo. And then I sent it to her. Tapos she goes, oh, nice naman. It's all by accident.
Oh, so you
Parang
didn't
posting
actually
na.
plan the shoot?
No. It just happens where
Yung
nude.
nakatayo ako, plan ko yun. Pero yung nakaupo ako, yung mga ganun-ganun, parang stolen lang. Stolen.
Di, ang ganda. So, you were just enjoying an afternoon.
Yeah.
You're naked as you are normally at home. Then you happen to take a photo of your wife and she's pretty with her angle.
Yes, with her angle. Tapos, then she posted. And I said, oh, you posted it.
Kasi
And yun
nasined
lang
niya sa akin.
How do you feel about the posting thing? Anong naramdaman mo dun?
Nagulat ka ba?
Oo, sobrang I
Sabi
was,
na, ba't mo pinost? Sabi
I
ko,
was
ba't
like,
ayaw
oh my
mo?
gosh.
Hindi naman.
Pero okay lang. Yeah.
Because she's Aubrey.
Yeah,
Tama.
syempre.
Pag si Buboy nag-post, baka magtanong ako, ano ba ito? Buboy.
Sorry, wala pa.
Wala pa. Gagawin mo, ha?
Baka mamaya.
Okay, sige.
Pero totoo yun, yung matutulog ka, try mo na hubad. It's pag gising mo parang ang luwag-luwag ng feeling mo. Magaang.
Tama.
Magaang. Promise.
Tsaka diba, Sir Troy, kapag umaga, diba, yung
Yun.
manoy natin, diba? So,
Manoy? What's a
diba,
manoy?
pwedeng
Just
patungan ng bagong saing, diba? Wow!
May patent sa kumot, yung gano'n. Oh, there's a teepee. Diba? Let's go camping. Diba? Di na ba pwede, diba? Ano ba ito kung saan na tayo? Sex life pinag-uusapan.
Oo nga, kaya nga enjoy ako eh.
Ano na tayo? Okay.
Hindi, paano kung, sa sex life po ninyo, gaano po kayo nagiging creative or experimental? Gumagawa po ba kayo ng kung ano-ano? May share po ba kayo para saan? Kasi bored na rin po talaga ako eh.
Para maging exciting.
Para maging exciting.
Sa amin, lagi we have our favorites. Ganyan. Pero syempre, minsan, nag-explore kami, especially pag may time, ganyan. And we like to meron kaming choices. Pwedeng we take it slow or gusto mo agad-agad lang. Pero ours, we take our time, di ba? And then, we like it. We like seeing our bodies, ganyan. And yung exploring talagang, depende ko anong location, ganon. Depende kung nasan kami. Pero sa bahay, we do the usual.
Yes.
Pero that's why we always travel kasi parang different, di ba? Ako na talagang lagatan ko kwento. Different view sa window, kung saan-saan, mga ganyan.
So, lahat po ng mga resort na pinuntahan ni Aubrey tsaka ni Troy, check your CCTV, guys.
Hindi pwede, Madam Chair.
Hindi ba
Bawal
pwede?
yun.
Bawal. Check nyo lang for your consumption. And then send it to me, 09. Sinabi yung number.
Wag, Madam Chair.
Bawal.
We're honorable.
Order.